It's week 30 of actually going outside in 2026. And this week we're on a special little anniversary weekend getaway to Vancouver. And we're visiting the VanDusen Botanical Garden.
It was a rainy day, but that just meant that we had the place almost to ourselves. We stopped to admire plenty of mossy trees, walked through a great tree tunnel, checked out some tiny snails,
Oh, this one's really tiny. Look at him. And then where is he? This one. And the king of snails up at the top. Got racing stripes. So you know he's fast.
and made sure that this chunky little slug made it off the sidewalk safely.
These succulents, the spiky leaves, left imprints on the other leaves before it expanded. So you can see spiky little outlines. Oh, that is so magical. We may have just found the most perfect little strawberry ever, but we probably shouldn't eat it in case we're wrong. And also because it's not our garden. But like, look at this.
It was a lovely way to spend our anniversary.
See you next week.